Good day, everyone. So, this tutorial is going to help us to know how to set up live streaming using Vmix. So, you are using Vmix to connect to YouTube and then Facebook. So, as you can see, I just launched the Zoom, what's it called? The Vmix, and then currently on the web. So, it's covered Bible Church is my church. So it's our week service, and then join me as a setup. So the first thing I went to do is to go to the browser, tap YouTube, and then network system is just starting though. Next thing, just go to YouTube and then Facebook as well. So I said I should show my face and the studio bit before the browser will pick up. You understand? So now I'm launching the software, the Vmix. The Vmix is what we use to stream. Like, it has 3 channels. It can take 3 channels at a time. But I'm connecting just 2, which is Facebook and YouTube. So the YouTube has opened. So I want to go to I'm going to click on live. You can see, click on go live. Yeah. It's at least coming up then. Thank God Facebook too is up. So just keep waiting when it's also I could go to now. The Vmix 2 has come up exactly. The Vmix software for the streaming as well has come up. Just follow through. It's very simple and enjoy while you set up this. Okay. Okay, so good. The Vmix is up already. So I'm about to bring the source, which is the camera source, through the mixer, because we have over 3 to 4 cameras that we're using, and then we are connecting into the mixer. So just checking. Okay, I'm going back. So I press add input, then go to camera, then I'll go to camera type, then that's the name of our mixer anyway, where the cameras are connected to. You get. So the first thing I do is to remove camera audio. Then I go back in again. Then I add the normal audio from the sound department. That's the name of the sound card that was connected to the what's it called? You can see there's sound already. That is direct sound coming from the sound department. So I'm going to pick the logo. So I'm going to pick the logo now. So I'm waiting a bit so the logo is going to come up. Just thinking loading. So within that, so I'm just trying to juggle these activities together because I'm running late for the service. So because I need to set the timeline, the title of the live streaming, and so on and so forth. So going back to my YouTube, okay, the logo has actually come inside. So the next thing I need to do is to resize the logo to be, because as a church, as a brand, we have our logo positioning and the size. So I'm trying to reduce the size to 128. That's our church because of our logo. Okay. So the next thing I'm doing currently is I'm just going to align it to the accurate size it is, as you can see. Yeah, so that's good. So that is where our logo is to be. Then I'll click on quick play, which is on channel 3. As you can see, service is about to start anyway. So quickly, I'm going to Facebook. I'm going to Facebook currently, I think so. Yeah. So I need to edit the title of the message of the same message. Then the first thing is, because service has started already, so I need to make things work fast. Now I have to connect the YouTube first, then later I'll go back to the Facebook after adding the title. So as you can see, look at this yellow stuff here. It means that, okay, good, I think YouTube has gone. So I'm about to copy the details of the YouTube information on the Facebook too, because the YouTube and Facebook has to carry the same name. As you can see, the title of the video says to work the same thing, to work of honor. You understand? So that's the name of the title of our evening message. It's a Bible study. You understand? So then copy the description, which is just welcome to service. You understand? Same thing, copy and paste. You understand? So that's cool. So saved. So by default, so I'm copying the stream key from Facebook, and our channel wall basically, I said it has 3 channels. The channel wall is meant for Facebook, and channel 2 is meant for YouTube. So quickly, I just have to click start. Then immediately I click start, so Facebook gave me go live. Automatically I click go live. You understand? So YouTube is live already. You understand? YouTube is live already, so that's good. So I'll go to the next section now to see if the Facebook too is live. Do you understand? So that is that, and then currently we're just launching, and this is the beginning of the service. So I think that's the little principle. So I need to edit the thumbnail of the YouTube channel. So I have to click on the edit and then come down as well. Try to see, okay, it has been changed. Just can come there to change or download the thumbnail. So you can change thumbnail from that angle as well. It's as simple as that, Now this is the view. The view has been picking up. Less than 5 minutes. People have been joining online. It's a week service. You understand? So this is just the view. I'm showing us the view, and then I'm showing us the concurrent view, people present online at the same time. Then the view rate and the chat rate too, right? So that's the chat rate, people that chat, and then I'm going to show you the metrics of Facebook. So if you have to know this to know how good your streaming is going well. This depends on how people that are watching online. So the minimum stuff, this is the comment section anyway, and our lifeline choir are actually presenting here. So this is what I want to say here. This place is very important. So you see your video resolution, you see hour left that you can stream, and then moving forward. Okay, service has started, so I said I should go and view a bit about say our choristers here, and I'm one of our media lady though, but she's very stubborn. Okay, so this is the man in power. She's the one in charge of the service, she's just giving us vibe. So after that, I just said, let me just give you guys view, seeing about our studio. I wish you can come and see it on Sundays, everywhere is like, let me say we use half of our system here. Hopefully I could do something for you guys on Sunday to see how, how sound our studio is. Very cool though. So this is me, that's my water, this is my second system. Anyway, so I came back to see the analytics of the live streaming video, and this is Evangelist Brimo. She's very beautiful, and then I like her station a bit, but she's cool. So yeah, I think we want to go for what's it called? We want to do our advertisement, our advert, and our advert is pre-recording advert, right? So I need to fade it. You understand? So it has been faded. I think I'm going to explain how I got the what's it called inside. Pre-recorded is from live stream. This is the pre-recorded is taken. They will have done the editing of the video in Premiere Pro, and then inserted inside this. These are our announcement, and I'm going to show us how it is being done. Very short now. Okay, let's go into that now quickly. So you go to add input again, then go to video. Very simple. Okay, these are the sets of video you've added before. You just click on browse, then go to where the video is being downloaded, and then you insert it. Good. So when I scroll down, I can see the video just joined. That's it. So I could test before the main announcement is being played. So that's how it is though, and then it's very simple. And then if you have any question, you can kindly drop, and then just drop it in the comment section. Thank you.